In this video, I'm going to show you how to implement a dark layer while still keeping the glitter effect within a photoboothtemplates.com template. For this video, I have a glitter background here. I'm going to turn off a couple layers here just to make things a little easier to see. We're going to work with a navy background, so let me go ahead and create a navy background. The first step we're going to do is we're going to create a new layer, and we're going to actually place this layer underneath background.jpg. I'm going to fill that with my navy color. Next step I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on this hue saturation layer above my background, and I'm going to desaturate it. And the final step to make this effect work is we're going to come into the original background, which had a glitter effect, but it was all compressed onto a single asset. I'm going to come here and I'm going to select hard light. And then I'm just going to back that down a little bit because that's just a little strong for my liking. But you can play with this and get it wherever you like. And there you go. I now have a navy glitter effect in a matter of seconds. I hope this helps you, and make sure you do stop by the largest selection of photo booth templates on the web at photoboothtemplates.com.